Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this really handy tool. This is a 15.6-inch digital calendar that is going to be great for all of the organization, especially with the kids to know what is going on, because this has literally everything. I can give them tasks to do here. I can have them mark it off. They can actually come up here and see what it is. Whenever it's done, they click on it. Perfect. You actually have a reward system in here. You can look at photos. You can have your grocery list, your meal planning. All of it is all listed just right through here. Whether you want to see what's going on a certain day, you want to create a task, you can easily assign different people. So I've actually got it set up here for mom and dad, but you can add your plus button here, add in whatever task you want to have. You want to say clean, you just type it in there. And it even has a voice assistant that you can just tell it what to do. If you're busy, you don't want to do that, you can create who wants to do it. So mom's going to clean. We'll save that on there. The task then shows up for mom. You've got your reward system. So once it's done, you can add different rewards in here. You have a meal planning. So if anybody ever wanted to know what was going on, if you're one of those people that want to know everything as far as what's happening for the day, you can set all this up. I mean, I put everything on the same day, but you can easily just add in here on a certain day for lunch. I want to do tacos. And you can save that on there. Mom's going to make some tacos. And then tacos is going to show up so your kids know what's going on. Then if I come up and I say, hey, daughter, come over here and make up dinner. She knows exactly what to do. She knows what chore charts there are. Everything is all easily set up and the touchscreen is fantastic. So we're on here. There we go. She's got that set up. You have different lists if you want to add in your shopping list, or kids can come in here and say, hey, we're out of milk. They can add in the milk. Super great. Photos. I got my cute little puppy on here. You can use the app, sync it in, and it'll just send it all the way through. Add in whatever photos you want to add in. That part is also really nice, just as a nice little background. You've got a sleep notification as well. And if you did want to send a different photo, like I said, you've got all your photos, you can just easily send something over and send it on up. But it also, if you wanted to set it up, will rotate for you. And you can have it upright or whatever you're wanting to. You have a different background here if you wanted to mount it on the wall, or like I've got mine sitting like this. You can actually set that up either way. But this is a super amazing tool that you can use for all sorts of different things, whether you're using it for a calendar, talking to your family throughout the group, and letting everyone know exactly what to do. I said you do have this voice assistant to be able to add up, to be able to say like you want to add in, I want to make pasta for tomorrow night. And it'll then add it into your thing for you if you are really busy. And of course you can use that app to talk to it as well and get it all updated. This is a nice clear screen. Love the beautiful frame. It's going to be great for any household.